Are you ready to witness unprecedented power? Today, we will explore the most modern, fastest, and most efficient wood splitting machines on the market. From advanced hydraulic technology to intelligent automation systems, these machines will leave you in awe. Get ready to witness a revolution in the wood industry. You'll have to say wow when you see the impressive design of this wood splitter. Watch our beautiful girl operate this machine. Interesting, isn't it? The splitter frame is positioned vertically and can split multiple pieces of firewood simultaneously. This unique design is showcasing its power. The cuts are very smooth, and the efficiency is evident. Look at the firewood pieces being produced. Wow, this is a giant oak tree. Split it into firewood? Is that even possible? I'm truly impressed with this unique design. The wood-splitting robot is demonstrating its strength and talent. Now there's no need to directly load wood into the splitter anymore. Just control the robot remotely. The cut logs are quickly split and placed into the wood pile. Surprised by this robot? This is the optimal way to cut such a large log into uniform firewood pieces. Continuously and non-stop, the firewood pieces seem to pour out. Modern machinery truly helps increase human labor productivity tremendously. If you'd like to see more modern machines, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the incredibly efficient machines coming up. Wow, this looks like a machine from the future. Kudos to those who designed and manufactured this modern wood splitter. The whole log is placed into position and moved into the cutting machine. The firewood pieces are conveyed directly into packaging bags. The design is truly intelligent and highly efficient. Splitting wood with an axe, why not? This is a traditional method from ancient times and still retains its value today. This has always been a basic choice, whether there are machines or not. Moreover, it will be very good for health and physique if we use this method. Do you want to try? Leave a comment to let us know. Wow, watching him work makes me want to join in. The splitting blade is positioned vertically, and each time the lever is pulled, the blade moves down to cut the wood into small pieces. Simple and efficient operation is the effectiveness of this design. It's truly impressive. This is a homemade wood sawing machine, with 2 motorcycle wheels used as rotating shafts and a sharp saw blade ready for the task. The cuts are very precise and thin, capable of creating real products. Very impressive with this one-of-a-kind wood sawing machine. Yes, there are no limits to human creativity. Here we have a chainsaw as the main component used for cutting trees. There's a bicycle wheel and a lever for control. Wow, I'm amazed by this unique design. This wood-splitting robot model looks quite interesting, moving flexibly and remotely controlled. With an integrated wood-splitting frame at the front, this robot is demonstrating its capabilities. How convenient, isn't it? No need to stack wood into the machine, just remote control and everything goes smoothly. Please admire this modern wood-splitting machine. It's more like a miniature wood-splitting factory. Look at how the firewood pieces are split and flow out. Truly impressive. After being split, the firewood pieces are immediately transported by conveyor belt to the packaging area. What a smart and efficient design. This homemade wood-cutting machine is impressive. Using 2 tires as rotating shafts, the sharp saw blade is ready to conquer any tree. Wow, look at the cut of this saw blade. Those are perfect cuts. This mini wood splitter is a great choice for splitting wood at home. With its compact design and high performance, it won't take long to split this pile of firewood. Very versatile and quick, splitting wood is no longer laborious, but fun like a game. Wow, this wood splitter looks like a monster. Using leverage, the splitting blade moves continuously up and down to cut any log into firewood in an instant. Large or small logs are all cut into pieces in seconds. It's truly impressive with the power of this machine. This horizontal design is very convenient for splitting wood. The logs will be placed horizontally along the machine. With a very hard and sharp splitting blade, just pull the control lever and we have firewood falling out. This wood splitter is very suitable for personal needs. It would be great to have one like this in the garden, never having to worry about running out of firewood. Wow, this is an industrial scale wood splitter. This machine can be likened to a beast with a powerful engine. A large splitting frame ready for any challenge. Impressive with this power, cutting large logs as easily as cutting cake. The split blade rotates continuously around the main axis. This is a simple but extremely effective design. The cutting force is very strong. The log is split instantly when the splitting blade passes through. Those tough hardwoods and stubborn tree stumps, don't worry. This log splitting robot has got it covered. You just need to sit in control, and everything will fall into place. The high-speed rotating drill bit is what gives this wood splitter its power. Large logs are split in seconds. Truly impressive. Want to see more interesting content like this? Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our amazing community. See you in the next video.